Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix dev error 13011 in MW3 Zombies. This error usually pops up when there's a problem with your drivers, game files, or network configuration. First, ensure all your drivers are updated, including your graphics card drivers, chipset drivers, and any other relevant drivers. Next, try running the game as administrator. Sometimes antivirus or firewall software can interfere with the game. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall to see if that resolves the issue. Corrupted game files can also cause this error. Verify the integrity of your game files through the Battle.net app. If the error persists, you might need to reinstall the game entirely. Before reinstalling, it's a good idea to delete your player config files. You can find them in the Documents Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 Players folder. Certain in-game settings are known to cause issues. Go to your graphics settings and disable high-quality fog and particle lighting. Finally, open the required ports on your router. For TCP, open ports 3074 and 27015 through 27030 and also 27036 and 27037. For UDP, you'll need to open ports 3074, 27000 through 27031 and 27036 through 27037. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.